Hello there, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to watch CBS Sports on Android TV. And let's get into it. So head over to apps and head over to your Google or any browser of choice and just type in CBS Radio. So CBS. We're looking for CBS Sports rather. CBS Sports. CBS Sports. So that's the one we want. Look at the different links. It will not show up if you don't put an app behind the search. So get app. That's what we want. Now you see this one from CBS Sports. That's playthego.com. That's the one you want. Click on it, and that's how you get in. So I've already downloaded this app. If you have not, click on the install button. You find here, you get the app downloaded straight into your app library. In this case, I'm tapping open, and I'll show you how to use this app. So how to watch sports on CBS Sports. So you come here, all you need to do is to sign up and then log in. So you can watch live games, replays, highlights, and more. If you do not have an account, start by signing up. You require an email. If you have an account already, just log in, or you could just continue, and you could choose what you want. You could sort by NBA, maybe UFC. You could take those ones to the top. Those are your top picks. Like if those are the ones you're most interested in, you could drag them to the top just like this, and make your sorting depending on what you like more. So probably you have the NBA on the top, and let's go. So with next, you could find the team you're interested in. So is it a USA team? Is it Warriors? I can go to USA, continue with team 1. And right there, you could watch from all these categories, the NBA, UFC, or you could look at your teams and so on and so forth. So if I'm going to the NBA, I could see the top stories. LeBron James return to Cavs and other stories. And these are content I could click to watch. So if I just click on this, the video starts playing immediately. I could look at the scores at the bottom of the screen. I could watch. And this is what we're actually here for. To watch tournaments, content, games. So right here I could find replays, highlights, and all that. So any content you choose, you could click on it and you watch it right here. So that's it for this video. If you found that insightful, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.